Okay, let's go. Aipugo हामी चुच्चे ढुङ्गा. Baik to natural berarti ya. Jadi kill top stone park. Kill kamu sadar sih kill kamu. Sini kota apa?
A whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook
Picnic spot oh,
and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
Lao, wow. हजुर ल कति लाग्छ? ल म दिउँलाई. पुरे. राम्रो. शुल्क लाग्छ रे अहिले त. पोर पैसा लाग्छ. पैसा दिउ त माउ. 80 रुपैयाँ. लु सुतो ढुङ्गा हो यहाँ. बाबाले यहाँ पनि पुरेको छ त. हिमाल पनि देख्यो. ओए डर लाग्दै छ यहाँ त.
I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard.
Oh, la uyo.
In languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on a rig. And dreams
I am on the top of the world.
I sip my coffee, miss my cue. Still anchored by my feet. But time rolls on like open. And soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile.
Oh, त्यही हो. ल जाऊ. कहाँ गयो त्यो? आबे कहाँ गयो? झर झर त्यहाँ लायनको फोटो खिच्नुपर्छ है हामी लायन
She moves like a map with no borders.
लायन भन्छ जाने
A whisper caught in the wind.
सालक
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook can.
सालक के सालक
कालो सालक
अँ
सानो सालक
अँ